But I thought while I was hooking myself up today, I could talk to you a little bit about mindset, or your belief system is another way to think about mindset, and how that plays a role in your neurofeedback training. So mindset is your idea of what's possible and whether or not you believe that, because with the NeurOptimal system, which is the neurofeedback system I use, there's a radical idea behind it. It's not actually radical in the world of science, but it's definitely radical in terms of how we think about our abilities. So neurofeedback, and particularly this system, it is really based on the understanding that with good information, the brain can improve its functioning. And you and I, we have a pretty strong belief that we're broken in some way, and that if change is going to happen, it's going to be because we just take a magic pill and do nothing. And so we're on a quest to find that magic pill, or it's through incredible exertion and perhaps not worth the effort because, boy, there's a whole body of evidence that we've accumulated to prove to ourselves that we're broken. We're either broken emotionally, we're broken mentally, and so why bother? And so having the mindset that the brain can change with good information, it can improve its functioning, which is the design of the brain. If you talk to any neuroscientist, they're going to tell you neuroplasticity is real and the brain can improve its functioning. And so I leave you with the opportunity to ask yourself, what is my belief system around what is possible, what my brain can do, and where I can get to if I apply that idea that the brain can change and improve.